Hello my random viewer. Welcome. Why you came here? I know you not subscribed my channel. In this Among Us match, I was playing as Elon Musk and was a imposter. I played at the IQ 200 and win the game. But why I am telling this? Because I am so dumb. I know you guys are watching my video. Until this word you don't click on like, don't subscribe and also don't share my video. And after this video, I will make another video because I am fool. I don't use my mind. So guys don't watch video till end. Because if you watch full video then you will get an idea to play as an imposter. And I know you don't like to play better. I am not taking any money for like, subscribe and share. But you guys don't do this. I know it is very hard to click on like, share and subscribe. Harder than going to moon. Which is biggest achievement of humans. So please don't like, share and subscribe. Remember that, don't share this video. Thank you. Goodbye. At last, why you came here? I wrote on the thumbnail don't watch. Don't comment the reason below. Don't watch video till end. Thank you. Sorry I used thank you. Give my thank you back in comment section.